This video is a brief tutorial over Blackboard for all of your online education courses. First, you're going to go to dalton-online.blackboard.com. Here you will enter your email as your username. And the password Dalton, all lowercase, or the password that you created when you placed your online order. From here, you'll go to your Courses tab up at the top right. You are currently enrolled in the virtual classroom in the Capstone course. The Capstone course is self-paced and will be completed later on in your program. Select the live online course for your 5 other classes. On the left-hand side, you will see a gray menu that lists all that you have access to within the course. Upon entering the course, you will always be brought to your announcements page. Next, we have the schedules. This has all of our ongoing live schedules for you to view. Your schedule was attached to your welcome email, but can be also found here. Each schedule has all the dates and times for the live class and the recommendation for when you should complete your Capstone course. At the bottom of each schedule, you will find when that cohort is eligible to take the CFP exam. Next, we have our All Course Documents area. This has the syllabi, course slides, homework answers, errata sheets, and other documents used throughout the program. These are broken out by course. First, you should always download your syllabus first before beginning each class. The course syllabus has all the information you need to know before beginning each course. Each syllabus includes textbook information, grading policies, reading schedules, directions for accessing the exams, and much more. Underneath the syllabi are the course slides that the instructor uses in class. They also include the slides for the exam reviews, which are in the recorded classes area we'll get to shortly. Next, we have the solutions for each textbook's end of chapter questions. Here. The errata sheet lists all errors or changes by the publisher. If you think you found an error, please check the textbook's errata sheet first. If it's not already included, please send the information in question to info@dalton-education.com so we can notify the publisher. Next, we have the pre-study lectures. These lectures house supplemental information in areas where students often struggle. Each course's syllabi is where you can find when to watch that course's pre-study lectures. Then we have the live classes. This is where you go to attend the live class. Before your first live class, please follow these instructions listed in this note here. This link is where you can see if you have a current Flash player which is needed to attend the live classes. Also take note to the instructions of how to set up your audio and the instructions on if you'd like to view the live classes from a mobile device. To enter the live classes, you'll click here. You will enter the room as a guest and enter your name. And then enter room. This is what your live class will look like. Next, we have your recorded classes. All live classes are recorded and are posted for playback after they complete each night. These recordings will open within your web browser. The recordings that can be played on a mobile device, you will need to access the mobile class recordings here. These are the only videos that can be viewed on a mobile device. To access these videos on a mobile device, you will log in to Blackboard using your mobile device's web browser and navigate to this area. These sets of recordings are uploaded annually. If your instructor does not yet have a set uploaded as MP4s for this year, they will be made available 1 to 2 days after the class due to the time that it takes to convert into an MP4. You can also save the videos to use offline by right-clicking on the video and choosing Save Video As. Next, we have our quizzes and exams. Here is where you will access your test bank for all of your assessments, quizzes, and exams. You will use the same email you used to log into Blackboard and the password Dalton, all lowercase. Here in this drop-down area is where you see all of your courses to select from. Once you have taken a quiz or exam, you can review the question and answers by clicking Review Quiz that will appear in place of the Take Quiz button. This is your program progress area. It will list all of your grades for all 6 courses. Once you pass a course by taking the midterm and the final exam and scoring a 70% or higher overall in the class, you will be able to print out a letter of completion if you need one for your records. There are 2 types. You have a letter grade and a pass or fail, and it will open up as a PDF once you click here. Next, we have our learning library. This is supplemental information of our courses broken out by course. This material is from our self-paced program. And this wraps up the Blackboard overview. Best of luck in your program.